Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to add weather widget on your lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then swipe for unlock and then touch and hold on the lock screen, then type your current PIN or password. Now from here you can customize your lock screen. Here you can see widgets option. Then just tap on widgets. Now from here find weather widget. At the bottom you can see weather widget. Then just tap on weather. Now here you can see 7 kinds of weather widget and you can add any weather widget to your lock screen as you like. If I select these 2 weather widget and it's done, and then go back and then tap on done and it's done. Now you can see weather widget has been added successfully in my lock screen. Also, if I unlock my phone and then open up your settings app, now from here scroll down and then go to lock screen and EOD. From here scroll down and then go to edit lock screen. You can also customize your lock screen from here. Also, if you tap here and from here you can change your weather widget color. You can choose any color as you like. Then tap on done and it's changed. And then go back, then tap on done and it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add weather widget on your lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.